Affiliate marketing with an example can help illustrate how the process works. Here's a step-by-step scenario. Step 1. Join an affiliate program. You, as the affiliate marketer, start by joining an affiliate program. Let's say you decide to become an affiliate for an online fashion retailer called Fashion Fiesta. You sign up for Fashion Fiesta's affiliate program, which is free to join. Step 2. Choose your niche in affiliate marketing. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. You have a passion for sustainable fashion, so you decide to focus on promoting eco-friendly clothing and accessories from Fashion Fiesta's product catalog. Step 3. Create affiliate-friendly content. You create a blog or website dedicated to sustainable fashion. You write high-quality articles, such as Top 10 Eco-Friendly Clothing Brands and How to Build a Sustainable Wardrobe, which provide valuable information to your readers. Step 4. Integrate affiliate links within your blog posts. You incorporate affiliate links to specific products from Fashion Fiesta that fit your sustainable fashion niche. For example, in your article on sustainable clothing brands, you might include affiliate links to featured brands' products on Fashion Fiesta. Step 5. Drive traffic. You promote your sustainable fashion blog through various channels, including social media, SEO optimization, and email marketing. As a result, your blog attracts a growing audience interested in sustainable fashion. Step 6. User engagement and trust. You engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and providing recommendations. Your transparency and authenticity build trust with your readers. Step 7. Analyze performance. You use the tracking and reporting tools provided by Fashion Fiesta's affiliate program to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. You track metrics like clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Step 8. Scaling and diversifying. As your affiliate marketing efforts gain traction, you consider expanding your content to cover other aspects of sustainable living, such as eco-friendly home products. You join additional affiliate programs that align with these new topics. Step 9. Disclosure and transparency. You maintain transparency by disclosing your affiliate relationships to your audience in every relevant article. This helps build trust and ensures compliance with legal regulations.